Hey there, Rebels. So today I'm going to show you how to change your snowboarding bindings. If you're a snowboarder like me or my son, I'm actually replacing my son's bindings, and I'll show you real quick. So this is his Airwalk snowboard, and these are his old bindings right here. He actually has some old ride bindings, and they actually snapped a few times because they're just so old. As you can see, I replaced this strap right here from another one. I just Frankensteined it. Still works, still does the job, but this isn't the best. This is the original one for the same. It's still there. This one broke, put another one. This one's still here. So I'm replacing these bindings with a brand new pair of Rome. These are dope as hell. Look at this color. Actually, I was gonna keep those for myself, but I got step on, so I'm gonna give these to my son so he can be lit when he goes to the mountain. And actually, his board is actually like a dark green, so this will actually kind of complement. So I'm gonna take these off first. As you can tell, the quality on these is way better. The pads here, double strap right here, adjustments. It's just all around better quality. And newer and better. So he's excited. And I'll show y'all once I set him up, and he'll try them on too in the backyard, because we did get some snow. Still got some nice little snow in the back for practicing. All right, guys, so the first thing I'm gonna start with is we're taking out these screws. It's pretty straightforward, guys. It's not really that hard. The most important part is making sure that you keep your stance the same. If you're new to it, you still gotta figure out what's your stance, but this is his stance that he's comfortable with, so I'm gonna make sure that I'm keeping the angles that he has on both plates. I'll take a screenshot of each one, that way I don't forget. I'm gonna take these off. 4 screws. Make sure the stance is the same. I might even put like a little marker right here on the side, just to make sure that I get it. Right here, just a little Sharpie mark right here, and then we'll get to it. Real quick and easy, guys. All right, so I'll show you once I'm done. All right, guys, so bindings are installed. This has extra padding on it, so there's this pad right here actually comes off, and there's a screw right here, one screw. You just slide it back and lift it up, and this comes off, and you get to the part that I showed you earlier. But just because these are better quality, you would see the difference. But this is the final product. Looking tough. Let me know what y'all think about the final setup with the Airwalk and the Rome bindings for my son. He's about to test them out right now. Eventually I'll give you some nicer boots too, some better boots. Like the boas, you don't need to tie them up, you just crank. You can see?
Yeah.
Tell me how you feel. Once you got the other one, the other side?
Yeah.
Let's move out the way. Let me go try. How you feel? Just go like this. Like. Yeah.
I'm just trying to feel him out.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Can he move?
Here, move out the way. Move out the way.
Oh my God, bro.
Come on, man.
It's been a minute.
Oh. How do you feel? Huh? You feel good? Better than the other ones?
Oh yeah.
Huh? Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
I feel like I have like control of my board.
Yeah, you feel like you have more control?
Yeah, I feel like I have more control of my board. My last findings, I just felt like I wasn't like together like with my board. Now I feel like I'm like with it instead of just being like separate from it.
Yeah, I just see how you broke
I
right
could
now.
turn-
I just see how you did the break right now.
And
You feel like you have more control.
I was actually able to break, and I was turning.
Better, right?
And I was turning, and then you can kind of see I was like turning a little bit.
Yeah.
And then I did the same.
Yeah, it feels good, right?
That feels way better.
Yeah, lit. All right, I'm happy. That's lit. That's it, guys. The man has spoken. Lit.